Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to explore the overview of the internet and basic services. In this session, we'll discuss how the internet works, the World Wide Web, FTP, Telnet, and email. Let's start with the fundamentals. The internet is an interconnected global network of computers, allowing data exchange and resource sharing. Its primary purpose is to enable communication, access information, entertainment, and many online services. Almost every aspect of modern life is connected to the internet, from business to education and socializing. Then, how the internet works. To understand the internet, we need to know the components that make it work. First is the ISP, Internet Service Provider. ISPs like AT&T or Comcast provide the infrastructure that connects us to the internet. IP addresses. Every device on the internet has a unique numerical identifier called an IP address, Internet Protocol address. This address allows data to reach the correct destination. Then DNS, Domain Name System. This system translates domain names like www.example.com into IP addresses that machines understand. Then routers act as a traffic managers, directing data to its proper destination across the network. Then role of internet service provider, ISP, in the internet. An ISP is the gateway through which we access the internet. They offer various connection types. Dial-up. Dial-up was the original method for internet access, though it's now outdated due to slow speeds. Then broadband. Broadband is more common today, offering faster speeds through cables or fiber optics. Then Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi provides wireless internet connections at homes, offices, and public spaces. The ISP ensures your device connects to the internet using one of these methods. Wi-Fi is a wireless internet service available in various locations, and broadband provides high-speed access using cables or fiber optics that are commonly used today. Then IP addresses. IP address is a numerical label for each device on the internet, either IPv4 or IPv6. IPv4 is widely used with a 32-bit address space, and IPv6 has a 128-bit address space for accommodating more devices. Basically, each device connected to the internet is assigned a unique IP address, Internet Protocol address, which can either be IPv4 or IPv6. IPv4 uses 32-bit addresses like 192.168.1.1 and has limited availability. IPv6, a newer version, uses 128-bit addresses, offering a larger range for the growing number of connected devices. There are also private IP addresses used within local networks and public IP addresses which are assigned by your ISP and are globally unique. Then domain name system. The domain name system translates human readable domain names into machine readable IP addresses. The DNS is like the internet's phone book. It maps human readable domain names to machine readable IP addresses. When you type a URL like www.google.com in your browser, the domain name system converts it to the corresponding IP address, enabling your computer to access the website. Then routers and their role. Router directs internet traffic between networks, ensuring efficient data packet travel. Routers are critical for managing internet traffic. They help direct data packets between devices and networks. A router ensures that when you send a request like loading a website, it travels through the most efficient path, reaching its destination. Without routers, data wouldn't know where to go and the internet wouldn't function as we know it. Internet services. The internet is not just about connecting devices, it also provides a range of services that help users communicate, share information, and interact with content. Some of the most common internet services include World Wide Web, FTP file transfer protocol, Telnet, email. We'll now take a closer look at each of these services. First one is the www World Wide Web. World Wide Web is the collection of websites and web pages accessible via the internet. It allows users to browse, interact, and access resources like articles, videos, social media, and more. To access the www, we use web browsers such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Then, file transfer protocol. FTP is a method of transferring files over the internet. FTP is a protocol for transferring files between computers over the internet. It is commonly used to upload or download files between servers and clients, and it allows file uploading or downloading to and from a server using an FTP client or command line tools. For example, website owners use FTP to upload content to their servers. FTP clients like FileZilla make these transfers easier. It can handle large files, making it useful for various applications. Telnet. Telnet allows users to log into remote computers over a network and execute commands as if they were on the machine itself. It's commonly used by system administrators to manage servers or network devices remotely. However, Telnet has security issues, and SSH secure shell is often preferred for remote management due to its encrypted connection. Then email, electronic mail. Email is a widely used internet service for sending and receiving messages. Email is one of the oldest and most widely used internet services. It allows users to send messages and attachments over the internet. The process works using SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, to send mail, and POP3 and IMAP to retrieve mail. Providers like Gmail and Outlook are commonly used for both personal and professional communication. Then, key internet protocols. The internet relies on several key protocols. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, it enables the web to function, allowing browsers to fetch websites. Then HTTPS, it is the secure version using encryption to protect data. SMTP is used, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is used to send emails, while POP3 and IMAP are used for retrieving emails. So we have learned how the internet works, the roles of ISPs, IP addresses, DNS, and routers. We have also explored key internet services like www, FTP, Telnet, and email. These services have revolutionized communication and information sharing, making the internet an essential tool in daily life. Thank you.